Heyo!
Yo! We're here to talk to you today about sustainability, and it's Tech Talk Tuesday today.
Oh, great.
What?
That was hard. That was all you, dude. That was.
Dude, I've said this before. If you ever meet Brooke and Hailey, or Hailey, give them a high five and let me know whether or not I'm going crazy, because their high fives are flipping intense. I was spitting a little bit when I said that. So we're talking about concrete sustainability. Tech Talk Tuesday. Is that what it is? Mm-hmm. Tech Talk Tuesday. MIT, which stands for.
Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
Why are you whispering it? They
I
can't
didn't
hear
know.
you. Let me go ahead.
Massachusetts Institute of Technology.
Through their CSH, or
I don't know.
Concrete Sustainability Hub, have developed a new app called
Carbin.
Carbin. Link is ding ding below. This is not a paid advertisement, which is French for
Advertisement.
yeah. See, we're multilingual here. I think it's called polylingual. That's not true. That's not true. But anyway, an amazing app, and it helps. An app that, how did you say it before? I didn't like it. How did you say it? It's a new app for sustainability.
A tool.
A new tool, and I didn't like that because there's nothing about that app that is going to make concrete more sustainable.
Okay, valid.
Right?
Yeah.
Are you stretching?
Yeah.
But it is a new app that can help us understand why we need to make concrete better to create a more sustainable and greener world. Is that a better?
Yeah.
And I love the app.
Yeah, and it poses a problem that I really hadn't even considered. And I freaking think about sustainability in my sleep.
This is the app by Concrete Sustainability Hub called Carbin. So what you've got to do is put in your information. You have to create or allow your phone to do location, because it does use some of the coding from these GPS systems. Yeah, Apple Maps. So what you start doing is you can record with or without navigation, and you're using this while you're driving in your car. So if you're driving, don't be the person doing this, turning it on. But you're basically turning this on as you're driving down the highway. And what it does is, based on the curvature or the warping of the pavements, this software package or this app will tell you how much more fuel consumption you have because of the curling of the highway. And because of that, let's say if you have, especially out here on Highway 24, if you're ever out in Elbert or Falcon, as you're driving southwest on 24 right before Peterson Air Force Base, there's a section of concrete highway that goes like this. The app actually builds on that and helps us recognize why it's so important to get a flat and level pavement, especially when we're looking at fuel consumption, which of course leads to carbon footprint. So an amazing tool, and as you can see through these screenshots, it gives you that information to help you understand, okay, I made a mistake. I put an accelerator in it. I was placing on a really windy day without an ASTM C309 or 1315 or evaporation retarder. I allowed that curling to occur, and this was the effect. Now, what should be the result of that? In my opinion, if it's bad enough, the road needs to be repaired. If it's really bad, the road needs to be replaced. And it should come back to the county or the state in the form of carbon credits, or at least a local reduction in carbon footprint. So, can we put a price tag on it? That's for the next episode. One thing that folks tell us, or they ask us, is, especially in new technology, how much does it cost? Like, come on. How much does it cost to rip out the concrete? How much does it cost to have crappy concrete that forces you to use so much more fuel per mile?
Putting people in danger? Putting your cars, you're going to have to get your tires changed, all this. It's like a domino effect, basically.
Mm-hmm. Vicious cycle. Vicious domino effect. End cycle.
Yeah.
It's
It's
terrible.
dominoes in a circle.
In a vicious domino circle cycle.
Yeah.
That was a better high five. That was a better high five.
I didn't even move my arm.
I'm weak when it comes to high fives, I guess. Totally not
'Cause
supposed
you
to
don't-
agree with that. I'm your boss.
It's because you don't have a pizza tattoo.
joining us today. Let us know if you got any other concrete questions and concrete concerns. Don't forget to stay tuned. Ooh, I just messed her up. Don't forget to stay tuned for more information during our Math Mondays. Go Concrete!
Beat asphalt!